Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel your SideHustle account. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To cancel your SideHustle account, start by logging into your account on the SideHustle website. Once you're logged in, navigate to the account settings section. Look for an option labeled subscription or plan. Click on this option to access your subscription details. Review the information displayed about your current plan and billing cycle. Find the option to cancel your subscription. This may be labeled as Cancel Membership or End Subscription. Click on the cancellation option to proceed. You may be prompted to select a reason for cancellation. Choose the most appropriate reason from the list provided. After selecting your reason, confirm your cancellation by clicking the relevant button. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your subscription has been canceled. Check your email for a confirmation email regarding the cancellation. Make sure to save this email for your records. If you don't see a confirmation email within a few minutes, check your spam or junk folder. If you encounter any issues during the cancellation process, reach out to customer support for assistance. They can provide further help and ensure your account is successfully canceled. Once canceled, your account will remain active until the end of your billing cycle. After this period, you will no longer be charged for the service. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.